Hi everyone. So I'm going to make Popcorn and Angel a birthday cake. A little birdie birthday cake. Shh. Okay. So I cut this little piece of wood out. I'm going to use this. I didn't have any happy birthday wrapping paper, so I'm going to use this. It'll look cute. They're two girls. They'll like it. Strawberries, cucumber, banana, millet, and some spinach. So let's see what happens. Oh yeah, the bird seed. As little sprinkles. Let's see how it comes out. I hope they like it. So happy birthday, Popcorn and Angel. I'm going to make you a birdie birthday cake. Let's see how it comes out. Alright. Part 2 coming up. Bye. Okay, I'm done with the birdie birthday cake. The little mini birthday cake I made for Popcorn and Angel. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Look. Look how cute. Spinach and millet on the top. I started out with cucumber unpeeled, and then another piece of cucumber, and then strawberries, a slice of banana, strawberry again, strawberry on the front, and spinach and millet on the top. And I just held it with these little sticks right here that I usually make fruit with. But isn't it cute? Oh, I hope they like it. It's kind of big. But that's their cake. I'm going to put it in right now. And I'll do another video while it's in the cage. And that's your gifts in the background. They're little birdie Happy Meals. Angel. Popcorn. I'll do another video on that. I want to show everybody what I got them. Not that much. Just 3 little items. So there goes their little mini birdie birthday cake. I'm gonna give Popcorn and Angel the cake right now. So I'll do a video. Alright. Bye. I love it. I love it.